Bonjour, tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, I'll speak in English. Hello everybody. Today I'm going to make something with a little bit of a French feel to it. It's going to be chicken in a red wine sauce, or you could call it coq au vin. Here we go. Okay, so here we have our ingredients for our delicious meal tonight. We've got some lovely chicken, we've got some thighs, we've got some thighs there, we've got some drumsticks there, we've got some breast, some with the skin on, some with the skin off. We also need a couple of bay leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, some dried thyme, or fresh if you've got it, 500 millilitres of a good chicken stock, some pepper, some salt, olive oil, mushrooms, 500 millilitres of red wine, and 2 small onions cut into large chunks, if that's possible of course. Now in a large pan we put some olive oil, then we brown our pieces of chicken. When these are browned, we'll remove these from the pan and just put them to one side. Next, in with the onions. We can let these soften down. Now, while this is cooking, I've got a confession to make. I forgot to mention, we need some bacon. Now we can add the bacon. I've cut it up into pieces about this size. Can you see that? Yeah, so that can go in. I've got about 6 slices here, or rashers, if you'd like to call them rashers. Now we can add the mushrooms. 300 grams. The bigger ones I've cut in half. Now we can go in with our 500 millilitres of a good quality chicken stock. And it goes 500 millilitres of a good red wine. Well, you know what they say, you mustn't cook with red wine unless you can drink it. So there's only one way around that, I'm sure. Cheers everybody. Yeah, that's good enough. We'll use this one. 2 bay leaves, 2 crushed garlics. There's 1. There's 2. Just scrape that bit off, we don't want to miss out on that. 1 heaped teaspoon of thyme. We'll give this a bit of a stir. Add some cracked black pepper. And some sea salt. I've nearly run out. That should be enough. Then back with the chicken. Now we're going to put the lid on and leave it to simmer for about 45 minutes or until this chicken is cooked right through and really nice and tender. Served up with boiled basmati rice. Well, here we are, dinner time at last. Better late than never, I suppose. Let's try this wonderful meal. Well, the chicken is just so tender. Oh look, piece of bacon. And it's really taken on a lovely flavour. And a mushroom. Well, there you have it folks. Please try this for yourself. It's a really good meal. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. as much as I've enjoyed making it for you to see. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And to all my subscribers out there, thank you very much for watching yet another one of my videos. And I'll see you all again next time. Thanks again. Bye.